I know it's this blower motor because on one it once moved and it like got so slow, like the sound it made was horrible. I don't even think I can make it do it anymore. Yeah. Alright, so here's where the blower motor is located. On the passenger side, underneath here, there's gonna be some 9 30-seconds bolts. One right here, one where I've taken them out. So yeah, one right there, one right there, and then there's another one here. That other bolt, the third bolt, is right here. So I kind of put it like to show you where it's at. Alrighty, so here we are at the blower motor. Underneath here is the cord that goes to it. And then we have bolts that we gotta get, which is one is gonna be right here. And then there's gonna be another one right there. And then there's gonna be another one in the back. Where is it? Okay, so there's the third bolt. It's hiding up there. You see that right there? I don't know if you can see it over there, but it's right there. So one right there. And then you're gonna have one right there. And then we're gonna have another one up here. And then we're gonna get that out. These are gonna be T20s, Torx. Here's the new blower motor. I'm going to use the part number. Part number is right here. So we have a new one, old one. So, alright, let's get this installed back. I believe it went this way. This way. And then that's how it looks back up top. That's where we took it out from. I took these out too as well. 9 30-second bolts. There was another one up here. So just to be able to get to that other bolt behind and have some room to get it down, I took this plastic off. Let's put it back up. Alright, so now with that in, we're going to put our connector in. You want to hear that Click. And that's all it is when you're doing a blower motor. Pretty simple. Job wasn't that hard. Verify, make sure it works and everything like that, and you're good to go. That's how you do it on a 2019 Ford Transit.